I have over 35 random coloring prompts that I have placed in this jar. Now, will I be able to find a matching coloring page in my coloring books? Or will I fail at this coloring prompt jar challenge? I'll be picking only 5 to color with today. The first one is a Gothic theme. Next is architecture. The third prompt is outer space. The fourth prompt is music. And the fifth prompt, which I forgot to show, was zombies. Now the question is, can I find any of these prompts in the coloring books that I have? I know pretty much what are in my coloring books, so I'm just going to pick the ones that I think will have the pages in them that I need, and then if I need to move on to other books, I'll do that as well. So the first prompt that I'm looking for is the music theme, and I'm pretty sure I've seen some music-related items within this coloring book. And I'm pretty happy with this choice already, so I'm just going to stick with this page for the music theme. The next prompt is the outer space theme, and I'm thinking I may have a problem finding the coloring page for this prompt, but hopefully I can find just a simple page. I know I've not seen many alien theme or outer space themes within a lot of my coloring books, so this one will work just fine with the UFO and the cow, so it's perfect. And next is the architecture prompt, and I'm probably making this harder than it should be, but I haven't seen a lot of buildings or monuments in my coloring books, so this one might be a challenge as well. Now, the Eiffel Tower should fit in with architecture, and it's also a monument. It's not really a building, but it is something famous and has great lines to it. Now, this next coloring book has a lot of different themes and some pages that I really probably wouldn't want to color on a normal day, but I'm hoping that I can knock out the Gothic prompt and the zombie prompt with this coloring book. And since I have chosen these 5 coloring prompts, I will not put those back in the jar. That way, when I choose more again in the future, I know I'll be picking different prompts. And now it's time to start coloring all of these prompts that I have chosen. I think I picked some of the harder prompts from that jar, so I'll at least get those out of the way from the start. And there are the finished coloring pages, and I am so pleased with how they turned out, and this was such a fun challenge. I hope this inspires you to get more creative with your own coloring journey. And be sure to check out my other weekly coloring videos because you never know what I may come up with next.